Hi friends, welcome to Curie Electronics. This is the second part of VSSC 2015 Technician B Electronics question paper solution. So first part we have solved first 1 to 30 questions. Today we will solve 31 to 60 questions. So hope all of you are doing well. Please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. So we will start the section. Question number 31. Question number 31. A logic circuit that outputs a high only when both of its inputs are low. So OR gate, we know if any of the inputs are low, inputs are high, it will. So first we will write the logic gate for OR gate. OR gate, what is the OR gate? Y, A and B. So truth table will write A, B and Y is the output. 0, 0, 2 input gate. So we will get up to 4 combinations. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now what is the output we could get? What is our output? Whenever NOR gate 0, 0, output will be 0. OR gate is 1, 1, 1, 1. A logic gate circuit that outputs a high only when both of its inputs are low. So this is not correct. So what is NOR gate? So if you draw a logic diagram for the NOR gate, it will be just inverted. So this will be A, B and output Y. So A, B and Y. Say 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So we will get just complement of this. When it's 0, 0, we will get 1. The remaining will be 0, 0, 0. So as per the question, this is the answer. A logic gate circuit that outputs a high only when both the inputs are low. So answer is option D, NOR gate. Question number 32. If cos x equal to 4 by 5. So we have to, the value of, what is the value of tan x? So if you draw a right angle triangle, cos x equal to 4 by 5. This is our theta. What is cos x? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, that is 5. If this is 4 and 5, what will be this side? That will be 5 square root of 5 square minus 4 square. So we'll get 25 minus 16, which is square under root. So which equal to 9 we'll get. So it is 3. So it is 3. So here it is 3. So what is the question? What is the value of tan x? So tan x equals, what is tan x? Tan x equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is opposite side, perpendicular, that is tan x is perpendicular divided by, that is 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4 is the answer. So we'll go to the next exercise, that is 3 divided by 4, option A. Option A is the answer. So we'll go to the next question. Question number 33. The value of x in x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. What is the x value of a quadratic equation? X is given as x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Using this equation only, we will find the values of x because it's a quadratic equation. Now what is the a here? Coefficient of x is a. Coefficient of x square, that is a. Coefficient of x is b, and this is c, constant. Now we'll put the values. So I'll start solving from here. Okay, minus b, minus of, what is the value of b here? This is minus 5 plus or minus square root of, what is b square? B square minus 5 square, that is 25 minus 4, a value, a equal to 1 for a, c, what is the value of c? C equal to 4, all divided by 2 multiplied by, what is the value of a? A equal to 1. If we simplify this, minus multiplied by, and becomes plus. So 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16. So we'll get 9 divided by 2. Okay, which equals 5 plus or minus 3 divided by 2. So if you take the plus value, 5 plus 3 by 2. So it is 8 by 2, that is 4. If you take 5 minus 3 by 2, it is 2 upon 2, that is 1. So we got x values, x values are 4 comma 1. So here option 1, there are for 2 values are not given directly, but he has given in the D option A and B. Correct? A is 1 we got 4. So answer is option D. Answer is option D. Question number 34. In the operation of a servo-controlled voltage stabilizer is based on. The servo-controlled stabilizer is a closed loop system. In a closed loop system, there is a feedback is involved. So answer is closed loop system. In a closed loop system, always there is a feedback from output. Question number 35. The area of sector of a circle with radius r centimeter if the angle is theta. So we have a circle. This is the radius. This is the theta. This is theta. Now, whenever you face such kind of question, sector of a circle, what is the area of circle? Area of circle equal to pi r square. This you have to multiply it by theta, whatever the angle, divided by 360 degree. So we will get, so this is the area of the sector. So the answer is pi r square multiplied by theta by 360. This is the option A is the answer. So next question. Question number 36. In a microprocessor based system, debugging means writing a program Option B, troubleshooting a program, copying a program, executing a program. So the answer is option B, troubleshooting a program. So whenever you write a program, there could be some bugs. So to remove the bugs, we will do debugging. That is what? Debugging. Debugging means troubleshooting a program. Question number 37. A microprocessor. A microprocessor is, so everybody knows, a microprocessor digital device. After inventing the digital gate only, the microprocessor come into existence. See, Indium Pentium processor, those, okay. Okay, question number 38. Solar cell is a type of, it's a photovoltaic cell. It converts light into electrical energy. Now, what is a photoconductive device? There's a photodiode. There's something called photodiode. Okay, photodiode is there. Photodiode we can connect it, we'll apply this photodiode. Photodiode is always used in reverse bias. Okay, let's remember it. Photodiode is always, this is a photodiode. This is always used in reverse bias condition. See, anode, this is the anode of the photodiode, this is the cathode of the photodiode. Anode I have connected to negative of the battery. The cathode I have connected to the positive of the battery. And whenever there's no light, there's a current flows through this. Current flows through this. That is the reverse current. Or this current is known as dark current. Dark current. And this is always used in reverse biased condition. Reverse biased condition only this photodiode is used. So this also, it will be useful for you. And the solar cell is a type of photovoltaic device. And what is the efficiency of a solar cell? It is usually 15%. Solar cell gives the efficiency of 15% normally. So we will go to the next question. Next question. An operational amplifier cannot function as comparator, oscillator, multivibrator, none of these. Using an operational amplifier, we can make almost anything. Okay, so the answer is option D, none of these, because comparator can be made from an op amp. Oscillator also can be realized using an op amp. Multivibrator also can be realized using a op amp. We'll go to the 40th question. Which of the following device cannot be used to measure pressure? LVDT, linear, I forgot what is full form. Okay, LVDT. This is a coupling based, inductor based. And option B, pyrometer. Pyrometer I think is used. It's used for measuring the heat. Strain gauge, Piranti gauge. Piranti gauge is used in vacuum pumps to measure pressure. The strain gauge also we can use to measure pressure. So the answer is option B, pyrometer. Pyrometer. Question number 41. A car has two wipers which does not overlap. So we have seen our car wiper, left side and right side of the front side of the car mirror. Each wiper has a blade of length r centimeter sweeping through an angle of theta degree. The total area cleared in each sweep of blade is. Here it is similar to the one problem we have solved already. So this wiper represents a sector of a circle. Is the r centimeter he is telling. There's a theta also, angle also there. Now, what is the area of this sector? area of sector equals, first you have to write the area of the circle, pi r square. Then what is the angle of sector theta divided by 360 degree. This is for one sector. Okay, but here we have two sectors. So the answer for this question is this multiplied by 2. That is 2 multiplied by pi r square theta divided by 360 degree will give you the answer. So answer is option A. Next question. A certain meter has sensitivity of 50,000 ohm per volt. Ohm per volt. Now, what is the current required to deflect the meter movement to full scale? Full scale. Sensitivity. Sensitivity is given as sensitivity of a meter is given by sensitivity of a meter is given by. My handwriting is too bad. I'll try to improve. Sensitivity of a meter is given by 1 divided by current required for full scale deflection. Full scale deflection. Now sensitivity is given and we have to find the I for the full scale deflection. So how you will find, if you cross multiply I for full scale deflection equal to 1 divided by sensitivity which equals 1 divided by, what is sensitivity is given, 50,000. So this 10 to the power minus 5, 1 into 10 to the power 4. So if I take that, y, it will become 1 by 5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4. 1 divided by 5, 0.2. So I'll get, which equal to 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 4. This I can write it as, I will multiply by 2 by 100. So I'll get 20. Here I will multiply by 10 to the power minus 2. So I'll get 10 to the power 20 into 10 to the power minus 6. That is 20 microamps. Then now, in a voltmeter, how the resistor is connected? Resistor is always connected in series with a voltmeter. Series with a voltmeter. But in ammeter, if it is an ammeter, resistor is always connected in parallel with it. In parallel with it. Okay. Then what is the, okay. So we'll go to the next question. Question number 43. Now here, a digital voltmeter has 4.5 digit display. The 1000 volt range can be up to. See, whenever it is say 4.5 digit, that means there are 4 7-segment displays. There are 4 7-segment displays. There are 4 7-segment displays are there. Total, there will be 5 7-segment display. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7-segment displays. 4.5 digit means we have total 5 7-segment displays. But the MSB, this is the MSB. This will vary from 0 to 1. This can toggle 0 or 1. It will be always 0 or 1. And these digits can go up to 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So this is, so if you see that whenever half digit is attached, there should be 1 in the MSB. So this is not the option. This is also not the option. We left with these two. So the better option is, this is the better option, 1 19999. So answer is option D. What happens if it is a 3.5 digit? See what happens if it is a 3.5 digit display. 3.5 digit display means we'll have 4 displays, but the MSVL can toggle from 0 to 1, and the other 3 digits can go up to 999. If it is 2.5 digit display, we will have 3 displays, 1 9 9. 2 digit can go up to 9, and the 1 digit only half. So if it is just a 3 digit display, what happens if it is a 3 digit display? If it is a 3 digit display, then all 3 digits can go up to 999. So the answer is option D. See, this decimal point can be put anywhere. Okay, you can make 199.99, whatever it is. We can go to anything. Decimal point, we can shift it. But 4.5 digit means whenever this half comes, the first MSP digit can only toggle from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. We'll go to the next question. In a train of binary signals, one baud is equal to. One baud means it is a signal. Baud is the unit, some signaling rate. We are sending 1 bits per second. That is known as 1 bit per second is known as one baud. Question number 45. The number of flip-flops required to build a mod 17 counter. Mod 17 counter we have to build. Now, if you assume that we have 4 flip-flops, what is the max count? We have 4 flip-flops. What is the max count? Max count is given by 2 to the power n minus 1. That is, we have 4 flip-flops. 2 to the power 4 minus 1. That is 16 minus 1. So 15. Up to 15 we can count. That means 0 to 15 it will count. 0 to 15 it can count. But we need to have a mod 17 counter. Mod 17 counter means mod 17 counter. Once it reaches 17, see mod 17 counter. Mod 17 counter means mod 17 counter means mod 17 means now it will count from 0 to 16, 17. Once it reaches 17, again it will go back to 0. It won't go to 18. So using 4 flip-flops we can't make. But if you take 5 flip-flops, what happens? 5 flip-flops are there. Now what is the maximum count? Max count equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. That is 2 to the power 5 equal to 5 minus 1, which equal to 32 minus 1, 31. That is 0 to 31 it can count. So we need minimum 5 flip-flops to make a mod 17 counter. So answer is option B. It won't count to 30, it won't go to 31. After 37 it will start with 0. We have to reset the flip-flops to go to 0. So this question I am not solving because see here, weight of aluminum sheet of size 1 meter width and 1 mm thickness. The size is not given properly. But what weight, if you want to find, weight equal to volume multiplied by density. This is the equation for weight. But in this question, we can't find the area, weight of aluminum sheet of size 1 meter, because width, length and width we don't know. Thickness. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. Question number 47. So friends, please press the like button. Please share the video with your friends. So when you prepare for VSSC exam, you need little bit mathematics also. So it is better to solve your 10th standard textbook sum questions. I will try to make a video on it. Just a revision of which are the things you should know for VSSC exam. Okay, now the question number 47. The aspect ratio in a TV receiver is, the TV receiver, the aspect ratio is 4:3. It's a direct question. Question number 48. Geostationary satellites are placed in equatorial orbit at a height of, it is 36,000 kilometer. It's also a direct question. 36,000 kilometer. Whatever satellites, geosatellites, communication satellites, all whatever ISRO sends, these are all at nearly 36,000 kilometer. Question number 49. In the color TV system adopted in India is option B, PAL. This is phase alternation. I think phase alternation by line. That's what I think. But the PAL system is adopted in India. Question number 50. An amplifier circuit of voltage gain 50 gives 10 volt. Okay, what is the voltage gain? Voltage gain AB equal to output by input. Output by input. Here what he has given, voltage gain is equal to AB equal to, he has given us 50. Output is 10 volt. We want to know the input. So this is the input, what we have to find. So input equal to, if you cross multiply 10 divided by 50, it cancels. 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. So 0.2. We'll get 0.2 volt. If you want to write it in millivolt, multiply by 1000. That is 200 millivolt. So the answer is option A. Question number, area of equilateral triangle with side A. See, what is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. All sides are equal and all angles are also equal. It will be 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, and this side is A, this side is A, this side is also A. When all sides are equal, area equal to, when all sides are equal, area of a triangle equal to half multiplied by two sides, A multiplied by A. When two sides are equal, okay, area equal to, area of the triangle equal to half multiplied by A into A multiplied by sine of the angle between them, that is sine 60 degree, which equal to 1 by 2 A square multiplied by, what is the value of sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So if we simplify this, it comes to root 3 A square by 4. Root 3 A square by 4. So the answer is root 3 a square by 4. See, I'm explaining like this so that you will remember it. Okay. So you also should write it and practice it. Then only whenever. Question number 52. Which of the following has the least wavelength? Okay. So this question is from electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. Now, in electromagnetic spectrum, first radio waves I've written in the then microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. This you could remember like this: Radio Mirchi, I love you, Xerox gun, Xerox gun. Okay, Radio Mirchi, I love you, Xerox gun. So you should remember. Using this, you could remember. See, from left to right, frequency is increasing. When frequency increases, wavelength decreases. Okay. Now, here this light, you have to remember this light. What is the wavelength of light? This wavelength is 700 nanometer to 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Okay, 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. After light, ultraviolet is starting from 400 nanometer to 1 nanometer. Then 1 to 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so light, the visible light, the wavelength of light varies from 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. The other thing also you have to remember, when you go from left to right of this Radio Mirchi I love you, Xerox gun, frequency decreasing. Okay, so you start from 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. So the question is, which of the following has the least wavelength? Which is having the least wavelength? That means is having the smallest wavelength. That is the gamma rays. Gamma rays are having the least wavelength. So the answer is option D. Question number 53. In telephone receiver, which microphone is used? In telephone receiver, carbon microphone is used. Question number 54. If the diameter of a copper wire is doubled, its current carrying capacity becomes. So now we know the equation for R. R is directly proportional to L by A. We are not interested in L. So R we can write it as V by I. V by I. So write it as V by I. V also constant only. So we can take it out because we are not varying the variation of V. So here it will be 1 divided by what is A pi d square by 4. Now, so we will get 1 by I because we are not bothered. We need the current and the diameter relation. Pi also we can take it out. So it will be 1 divided by d square by 4. D square by 4. Now 1 by I equals what? Y directly proportional to 4 by d square. 4 by d square. So I equals, what is I? I is directly proportional to d square when you multiply d square by 4. This is our first equation. So I is directly proportional to d square by 4. Now we are going to increase the diameter of the wire 4 times. What happens? Doubling. We are double the copper wire's diameter is doubling. That means we will take from this equation. Okay, we will start from this equation. What happens? We will write it here itself directly. So 1 by I 4 we have, but what is our d square? Is doubled, diameter is doubled, so 2d whole square. So 1 by I is directly proportional to 4 divided by 4 d square. So dd cancels. So what is I? I equals I is directly proportional to d square. So if you compare these two equations, what happened to the current? When we double the diameter of copper wire, current has increased 4 times. See, if you compare these two equations, what happened? The current has increased 4 times, 4 times it has increased, 4 times increased. So the answer is option A, 4 times. Question number 52. Which of the following material has negative temperature coefficient? All the metals, all the normal metals have positive temperature coefficient. So carbon is, the answer is carbon. Question number 56. The relative permeability of a material is 0.95. The material is, so here for a diamagnetic material permeability 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 is less than 1. For a paramagnetic material, permeability is slightly more than 1, slightly more than 1. So the answer for this question is diamagnetic material permeability is less than 1. For paramagnetic material, permeability is slightly more than 1. Non-magnetic material, no permeability. For ferromagnetic material, it is in thousands, 1000, 2000, like that. Okay, it goes in high value. So question number 57. Which of the following is used for the measurement of dielectric loss of capacitance? Now, these all bridges are known as AC bridges. These are known as AC bridges. Out of this, Maxwell bridge, Maxwell inductance, capacitance bridge, then Hay bridge, Anderson bridge. These all are used for inductance measurement. These all are used for inductance measurement. The sharing bridge, this is the answer, sharing bridge. This is used for capacitance measurement. So we'll go to the next question. Question number 58. Power consumed by a resistance of 10 ohms with a flow of 5 amp current is. This is a very easy question. P is equal to I square R. So I equal to 5 amps, 5 square into R, that is 10 ohms. 25 multiplied by 10, that is 250 watt. So the answer is C, option C. Question number 59. Hot wire anemometer is used to measure. The answer is option D, gas velocities. See what happens, this hot wire anemometer is a kind of bridge only. Okay, it's a bridge. So here one arm of the bridge will be connected to a hot plate, like a hot plate material. Some heater kind of thing will be there. And this heater kind of thing will be supplied, some current will be coming here, so it will be hot. So when liquid discharges, not liquid discharge, when gas velocity, when the gas flow happens, this temperature variation comes. This temperature variation, or it can be liquid also. When temperature variation comes, that is measured using this hot wire anemometer. So there is a heating element, and that is connected to the one arm of the bridge. And when temperature varies, this current also varies. So it is used to measure gas velocities. Question number 60. Friends, this is the last question, and next we will be solving. I think I will go with one more VSSC question paper. I not selected which paper, probably 2016 I will try. So this is the last question. Please share the video with your friends so it will reach to maximum people, so I will get motivated to make more videos. Question number 60. A CRO uses what kind of focusing? CRO and as well as our TV, our old picture tube TV uses electromagnetic focusing. If we see on the neck of the TV, we can see a coil which provides X and Y deflection for the electron beam. So friends, please press the like button and share with your friends. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Thank you.